Hello friends, today I am going to make a project that is calculator in App Lab, and from that you can calculate the numbers. Okay, I am going to design, and I need one button I need, and one image, a text area, two text input, and and two images. We need two images. First, I am arranging this. Okay. Now I will duplicate it, and over here the text area. Okay. And the button. And the button also. Suppose I am doing it more big. Okay. This button is for division. Slash. Font size I'm increasing to 70. 70 is very big. 50. Oh, 50. Yes, 50 is okay. For slash 50 is okay. Background color, I will like to do it blue, and the image size will be something like that only. Okay, I am doing the image small. Okay, so this much size is okay. Some more big. Okay, this much is okay. Now I will 3 times duplicate it. Division, multiplication, addition, and for subtraction, like this. We have enough space. Okay, we have enough space for doing it. Now in icons, I am going to take add. The size should be more big. I am making it more. Okay, this much is okay. And now minus, I'm taking square. Icon is okay. I am changing the color. Okay, icon color. I will do icon color red, and this, and for plus I will like to do it dark green, and this is for multiplication. Okay, for multiplication I am seeing it is coming in circle only, and then if I'm doing multiply, nothing is coming like that. So I think we should take in this only, this circle. I'm increasing more. Okay, so this I have done, and I will like to do its icon color. Okay, I will do it yellow. Not black is only okay for it. Okay, black is only okay. Now background color, I will like to do it light yellow. To text input, and this border radius I am removing. Oh, for this also I am removing border radius, and this I will do 4, and this will be also 4. Okay, and text area border radius will be nothing, and its background color will be black, and the whatever text will be coming, it will be in yellow. Okay, light yellow. Suppose I'm showing you. See, and one more, that this text alignment will be center, font size will be 20. Okay, font size will be 20. Border color will be, okay, border width will be also 5. Okay, so I have done with this. I'm writing here caps lock result. Okay, and one more thing, that is that we need an image from which we will clear the clear our result box. Okay, an image we need for that. Icons will erase. This came, click on it. Okay, now it is okay. Now let's start our coding. Our designing is done, and in this I'm writing first number, first number, and over here second number. Okay, second number, first number I've written. Now on event ID, this image 4. Image 4 is plus. Image 4 clicked, then something should happen. So the something should happen is that set text and ID, this text area 1. It is the result box. Text area 1, click, then you have to plus it. So for that I'm taking this plus, and I will go to UI controls and get number, and again get number from where the text input. So in first I'm writing text input, and this is the second text input. This is the second text input. Now suppose I'm running it, and I'm writing here 3, and over here 7, and plus, then it is showing 10. Okay, it is working properly. For plus, like this only we have to do for more. I will just copy plus C, V, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then for second I will make image 3, which is minus image 3. Okay, and for multiplication image 2, and for division button 1. Okay, division button 1. Again I am telling you, button 1 is for this, addition is for this, and image 3 is for this. Okay, and multiplication is for image 2. Now I will click on show text. Image 3 is this, and it is minus. So I will give it here minus. Multiplication is image 2. So image 2 is over here. So I will give here multiplication. Okay. And this is division, which is button 1. So I will give here division. Okay. And now for clearing it, that also I'm giving here image 5 on event. Wait, I'm doing it show blocks on event ID. This is what image 5 on event ID. Image 5 clicked set text ID in the text area 1. Nothing should be there. So for that I'm doing nothing. It should be clear. Okay, I have done this. Now I want to show you how it's work. Okay, I'm running it. First I'm giving here 12 suppose, and over here 4. And if I am plus, then it is showing a 16. And when I'm clicking on this erase, it is whole black. you will see it is whole black, because set text I have not given this a text area 1. So for that's why it was whole clear, you saw. Again, I will show you 12 and a 4 plus 16, and when I click erase, it has been whole erased. Minus, then 8. Okay, very nice. And if into, then 48, correct. And if divide 3, okay, it is working properly. And if 26, then plus 38, okay, minus, coming in minus also answer, into, and divide in point coming, okay. So it is working properly. Whatever instructions I have given to it, it is working properly because my code is correct. Please see the code properly. Like this only you have to write. And if you will write like this, your calculator will be also made. Thank you. Have a nice day.